Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on our YouTube channel. So as you saw earlier, the engine is bouncing around because it needs an engine mount. So we also, before when I was removing the axle nut, when shifting the gears, putting into drive and from drive to park and anyway, the engine was bouncing around. We can hear a clucking sound. So we inspected it, we found out that the engine mount is worn out. Well, we're gonna backyard fix it once again. Let's get straight to work. Guys, so here is the mount that is broken. As you can see, the bushing is worn out. As you can see, I can move the whole engine with my hands. I'm gonna be removing this mount and see how to fix it. By removing 2 bolts, 15 bolts, the mount can be pulled out. Now don't worry, the engine is not gonna fall on your face, that like my wise cameraman noted, because this engine mount specifically controls the forward movement of the engine. This mount is what holds the engine up. Guys, so this was the cause of the movement of the engine. Never see that again. Anyway, we're gonna be engineering some bushings to fit in this hole because, well, once again, it's the same day of when we made the CV joint. Here it is before the installation. It is still Sunday and we are still in the mountain where there are no parts store around us, and if there was be, it will be closed because, well, it's Sunday. So a backyard fix it because this car must run right now, and this is the only vehicle that we can take home. Okay guys, so here's the broken engine mount. Now we need something to fill this gap here to make it stop rocking the engine forward like that. What is better substitute than rubber is, well, wood. So we got this piece of wood. I'm gonna be cutting and sliding some pieces of it in here just to block the movement and make it more sturdy. Okay guys, so now we got the pieces that we need fabricated. What we're gonna do is press them in one by one. Okay guys, so as you saw, we used this piece. This is a special bushing material. It's only for racing, so this proved that, well, rubber bushings are overrated, polyurethane bushings are overrated. The best and cheapest way is to use wooden motor mounts. This is gonna be the sturdiest and stiffest engine mount known to the world. We're not gonna stop here. We still have one thing to do, which is add some oil to the concoction. So this is gonna be an oiled engine mount like the new fancy German cars. Here we have an oiled engine mount. Now on to the installation. Show them the proof that this is the one and we didn't change it. This is what I'm gonna be installing. Okay guys, so with that done, we have finished installing the engine mount. As you can see, it's the same mount and the engine is not moving at all. Okay guys, so with that done, and as you saw, we assembled the whole car back together along with the mount that we invented. And as you saw, we shook the engine around and it's not shaking as it was before. So hopefully that fixed this problem, at least for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, till we have time and the place to get a new one. See you then when we install the new engine mount. Peace.